not the best place to film.
Ignore that. You want to say hello? Say hi. Hi. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a neck rope. Okay. Took me a while to find it for some reason. I haven't even opened this yet, but this is just 100 foot of... That's not blue. This is this teal blue. This is not blue. This is pink. Am I colorblind? Anyway.
Hi.
Hi. Are you saying hi? So. Just take this, undo whatever part you're working with. So. Hi. Because it's already going to be tangled no matter what you do, and even if you just got it, so. Anyway. He's saying blue. I seriously think I'm colorblind. Y'all, what color is this? He's saying it's blue. And the bag says it was blue. Yeah, I seriously think I'm colorblind. Anyway. You want to take the end? Oh, okay. Thank you, Bo. Are you saying hi? Okay, so you take a ruler or just something that you can measure with, and you take it in. Okay, you just take something that you can measure with, and here I go. This doesn't go as far as I would like. It goes only to 72, but you want to go past that, probably like a few more inches. Just go to like maybe 80 or 82. So here I have this, and then you're going to take that spot. Just got it. You don't have to worry about it splitting, because we'll fix that at the end. So it's obviously just going to do this and be annoying. But so now you have your long strand of this. You're going to want to make 6, I think. Like, yeah, 6. So you take it, and of course it has to be tangled again. This is a struggle. And then you just stop. So you're just gonna keep going until you get to the end. Yeah. And then you just want to copy that, make sure they're the same length, and do that multiple times until you get 6 different strings that are all the same size. These are really dull scissors. Okay. So be right back when I'm done with that. Okay, so now we have our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna group these up in 2s, and I'll show you what we do next. Beep, beep, beep. I think my arm's back. You want to see? That was so cute.
Bye. Mama.
No, scare it.
Bye.
So now I take 1, 2. Okay. So I take the 2 and group them up. I am such a mess. Oh, thank you. That's so helpful. Take these, just do grouping them up. If you want to do like a color, then you do like one color, different color, one color, different color, and you just make it back and forth, but I'm only doing one color right now. Or you can do multiple colors. You can do like any range of colors that you want, but I would keep it even if you can. So, you want them to be flat. Just make sure they're all even. Like I didn't, and I messed it up. Okay, anyway. Just go down flat, and then fold down, and then just make the knot. Are you helping? Just move the knot up. Doesn't really matter how much you have on the ends, as long as it's not like an excessive amount, like a ton, because you still want to leave room to actually do the neck rope. That's why I added a ton of extra instead of the stuff 2 inches. But so now we have this. Just plan everything out, and thank you. Okay, it's been 2 hours because I had to take care of Odin and get him some lunch. But so here we have this, and I'm just gonna take 2, and then I'm literally just gonna braid it from here. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but a really tight braid. And make sure they're always flat, so like, especially if you have different colors, like make sure the color stays on the top, or like if you have white and blue, which I did before, make sure the white stays on the top or the blue stays on the top or whatever you want. Just make sure the colors don't flip-flop randomly. So just do this all the way until you get to the bottom, but not all the way to the bottom. Leave about 6 inches of room.
Come on,
Yeah. Oh, wow. Bo. Dude. 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 Also, in this front part, see as, here, let me just take it out 1 sec. But see how there's a part that's like not braided? You want that there, so that, you'll see at the end why. But you want that there, so.
The river frozen, our bed is in that ocean. Gather the church to me, souls dripping down devotion. My mother speaks. On a wave washed away, all that water washed away. Fall to water washed away, all that water washed on away.
Okay, so for this next part, you take the part that you didn't finish. You don't want to tie it on yet, so you take it and you take 4 on one side and 2 on one side, and come through here and tie it. Just a knot. Just one knot. Double knot it. Okay. I'm just gonna tighten everything. Okay. So now you got like this weird thing going on here. And then you take you just take this, 1 on one side, and then 1 on the other side, and you just tie it twice to make sure it's more secure. Just take it, those are all about the same length, and then just cut them off. Okay, so now they're all the same length. Oh my gosh, Bo, that is a giant handful of goldfish. Dude, what are you doing? Are you making a mess? Sadie, can you clean it up? Go get it. Get it, Sadie. She knows better. She's like, but you always tell me not to. Also, this is for a, like, large pony or small horse. So you can up or the measurements or, like, make them smaller if you would like to adjust them. So this is, like, the most in between I could find, and plus my horse is a small pony. I mean a big pony, so scissors here. Let's see, these you can't like burn the edges without that being cut off. Okay, now we're done with these, cutting these off. So take it one by one. The first one. Just burn it.
Oh, sanctum, swallow me. No sound, the river frozen. Our bed is in that ocean. Gather the church to me. Souls dripping down, devil.
Please. Bo? So now they're all done. The edges are all done. And there you go. This is your neck rope.
My mother speaks.